अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, ऑनलाइन तर्ज़ तालीम में आप तमामों का इस्तकबाल करता हूँ। आज हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स के बारे में मालूमात हासिल करेंगे। A for ant. This is an ant. B for bat. This is a bat. C for cat. This is a cat. D for dog. This is a dog. E for elephant. This is an elephant. F for fish. This is a fish. G for goat. This is a goat. H for hen. This is a hen. I for injection. This is an injection. J for jaguar. This is a jaguar. K for kite. This is a kite. L for lion. This is a lion. M for monkey. This is a monkey. N for nest. This is a nest. O for owl. This is an owl. P for parrot. This is a parrot. Q for queen. This is a queen. R for rat. This is a rat. S for sparrow. This is a sparrow. T for tiger. This is a tiger. U for umbrella. This is an umbrella. V for van. This is a van. W for watch. This is a watch. X for X-ray. This is a X-ray. Y for yak. This is a yak. Z for zebra. This is a zebra. Thank you for watching.